Can my eggs be edible? We shall see. Hey, my favorite whore. How you doing?
I'm finna fry some fries.
Perfect. I hope you gonna give me some, cause I want some.
Big ass potatoes.
I want some.
You know I am.
I hate using other people's bowls, but hey.
I know. I watched it. Good. So don't worry. They can't watch dishes in here.
I'm finna watch it over. I had to do it last time.
I should have got some better fucking dish liquid than that. That shit sucked. Well, it was what I could do.
And hey, you're a rock star. Get your game on.
I keep forgetting that.
I don't see how I'm still OCD. I'm supposed to be a rock star. I shouldn't give a fuck. Excuse me. Let's see if this works. Nah, they say you can boil your eggs in the microwave. Excuse me. For 10 minutes and it'll come out perfectly. Hold on. I ain't finished talking. My bad. I tried that before and I couldn't eat not one of the eggs. I ain't had no salt last time. Now I have salt. Beer salt, but it's still salt. Nigga trying. I'm listening, bro. What's up? Who the fuck took 2 of my eggs?
For real. You should have known.
I ain't should have known shit.
Right? Yeah. That's what they about trying these motherfuckers to do.
I ain't tripping. I don't buy shit these days without sharing anyway. My life or another.
Yeah.
But I got my egg, huh?
Oh yeah. Like whole mother.
And I got my soap. And we gonna goddamn sprinkle. I think that's enough. Y'all, I hope this works. You only need a teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's nephew, fuck you mean? Y'all don't know shit about this shit. Bro, how the fuck you do 10 minutes on here? Time cook. Duh. See, I ain't grow up with this damn microwave.
Oh, you could have hit 9 and hit start twice.
You stupid. Yep, I could've. I really could've. The other day I really did hit start like, 20 times? On game. Oh, shit.
I did it too. I ain't gonna lie. I can't even lie.
I'm finna have to hit it a couple times on here. I need 15 minutes. Yeah. They said 10 minutes with my eggs weren't cooked all the way last time. Think I should do 15 or 13. If it don't work, it just don't work.
It was still water in the inside. It was like yolky in the inside.
Yeah, someone was. Someone was straight, but I still couldn't eat.
It's enough water?
Yeah. Yo, I did everything right except for the salt.
Right.
But I think the time too, because our vote's different. It gotta be different than the person that made the video. I thought you was making something.
I am fried. I was making this bacon for you.
What? For real?
Or we can just put make some type of bacon.
That should be good.
Big thing. I don't know.
It's 2 more eggs in there. I do want a taste of the bacon. Yep. Just to have a taste, cause I ain't got no meat. Well, I had put you some pasta out too. I got a thing of noodles and a thing of macaroni and cheese out. I waiting on you to come back in. I probably bring it up here. It smells good.
Already.
So, yeah, that's what I was planning on eating. And I was like, I ain't got no meat, but I got eggs. Let's see if it works.
Shit, I something like this.
I'm dead, bro. Well, fuck it. I'm gonna make a whole nother video and we gonna see if this shit works.